Uh, Vidya Prasarak Mandal is an educational institution which has been always eager to promote new concepts in education. We have been doing that in every field of education, be it science, arts, commerce, or polytechnic engineering. Now, I'm extremely happy that our Arts Commerce College is conducting an uh, conference uh, where they are going to start a new museum at our college. Now, this is a totally new concept. Usually, when we talk about museums, we always remember science colleges, but this is an arts and commerce college in the field of accountancy. They are starting a museum. Now, this is a really very innovative idea, and as it is going to remain there forever, there will be some changes always made uh, as per the changes in the whole system. So I welcome this idea. I appreciate the efforts put in by the department, and I wish this museum a grand success from the point of view that it is not only going to be a new concept, but it will help students to understand this subject also quite well. Thank you. Thank you.
Institute of Chartered Accountant of India has prepared an accounting museum where how the accounting has been evolved throughout the years from ancient time till 1949 has been shown in a pictorial form. And the history is very useful to know the future of anything. And I'm pleased to announce that Joshi Bedekar College, Thane, is going to install accounting museum on 30th August 2021 at 11 a.m. and I request all of you to join for this installation ceremony, and I am hopeful that this will give various students of the college will come to know about this history of the accounting. Thank you very much.
Hi, can there be commerce without accounting? So let's speak into the history of accountancy. At the Joshi Bedekar College, there is an accountancy museum which will be set up to highlight the key milestones achieved in this profession. So let's join the inaugural of this museum on the 30th of August 2021.
Myself, Assistant Professor Subhash Gangaram Shinde, Vice Principal in Vidya Prasarak Mandal's KG Joshi College of Arts and NG Bedekar College of Commerce, Thane, which has become autonomous recently. I am very happy to inform all the people that accountancy department in our college, under the able leadership of CA Vice Prasade, head of the department, and his other colleagues from the department, are going to open the accountancy museum in our college. And our principal, Dr. Mrs. Suchitra A. Naik Madam, has given lots of support to them. She has given precious guidance to them for opening this museum, which will be one of its kind in Thane city and also Thane district, I should say. Also, Dr. Vijay Bedekar, Honorable Chairperson of Vidya Prasarak Mandal Thane, has given his blessings to this very, very important endeavor started by accountancy department in our college. And I am very proud that this museum is going to be opened in our college, and as I already said, it will be very unique kind of museum in our college and also in the University of Mumbai, and other colleges will definitely follow this example, and it will immensely help the students of commerce faculty and especially the students of accountancy. So once again, I congratulate accountancy department of our college on behalf of our principal, Dr. Mrs. Suchitra A. Naik, and as well as Chairperson of Vidya Prasarak Mandal Thane, Dr. Vijay V. Bedekar. Thank you very much.
Professor C. Yogesh Prasade, Head of the Department of Accountancy, Joshi Bedekar College, Autonomous. It's a very proud moment for our college and for accountancy department in general to be a part of a memorable journey where the inauguration of Accountancy Museum would be done at the auspicious hand of our chairman and the chairman of WRC of ICI. our president is going to be a part of this inaugural process through virtual mode. Friends, it's really a proud moment that the subject which we are teaching should be known to the students at large. Students and the others who are in the profession should know the history of the accountancy department. Each subject has got its own history, and accountancy is not an exception to that. Let us unveil this history in front of everybody and let everybody know the entire journey of this accounting process or accountancy subject and its evolvement in the entire period of time, over an entire period of time. So I am eagerly waiting for to welcome all of you to be a part of this historical journey. Yes, our chairman who has blessed us in all this endeavor, and our beloved principal who has always been a rock solid support in this particular journey, have given a superb support for us to ensure that this becomes a reality. So, dear friends and dear students, be a part of this journey. You will really enjoy this entire process. Thank you very much.